Everybody right now is trying to sell AI automations to businesses, stuff like AI chatbots, AI appointment setters, and AI voice agents. And they're charging $297 a month to implement these kind of services that supposedly run on autopilot. And listen, I was doing the same thing, but I stopped because after working with hundreds of businesses last year, we realized that most businesses don't need more automations. They need more traffic, more leads, and more appointments. And I'm going to show you a simple AI service you can sell right now that actually delivers that. And listen, I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $434,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. Over $434,000 in revenue, and we have roughly 350 active clients. So let me break this down, starting with chapter 1, why AI automations are a trap. All right, so here's the problem. Everyone on YouTube right now is telling you to sell AI automations to local businesses, build them a chatbot, set up some voice AI agents, then charge $297 a month and stack clients. But here's what actually happens. First, most people think starting a low-ticket business based on AI automations is completely passive, and it's absolutely not. Depending on the complexity of the business, the setup alone can take hours. Then you have to monitor them daily, explain the additional AI usage fees, and make sure your client is actually using the system. And spoiler, most of them don't even know what's going on. Second, most businesses don't have enough leads coming in for automations to even matter. Think about it. If a plumber is only getting 5 leads a week, automating those 5 leads isn't going to change his life. He doesn't need a faster way to respond to 5 people. He needs 50 people calling him instead of 5. Third, a lot of business owners don't understand what automations do. You get on a call with them, you start talking about AI agents and workflow triggers, and they have no idea what you're saying. Their eyes glaze over and then they don't buy. Or worse, they buy and you think you have a good customer, yet they cancel next month because they don't see the value. Fourth, and this is the big one, there's no visible result. When you run automations in the background, the business owner never sees anything happening. They don't feel like they're getting value. So after a month or two, they cancel because to them it feels like they're paying for nothing. That's why we stopped selling automations as the core offer. We still use them behind the scenes because AI automations are great for operations and generating results, but they're terrible as a sales pitch. The thing we actually sell is something the business owner can see, feel, and show off to their friends. And that's consistent social media posts created by AI. When someone in their life says, "Hey, I saw your post on Facebook," or they see a real comment from someone asking a legit question, the business owner feels the value immediately. They know their money is working. That's the difference between a client who stays for 2 months and a client who stays for 2 years. And the best part is you can create a full month of content in about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm about to show you how, so let's walk through how to do this starting with chapter 2, how I found a business that needs this. All right, so here's what I did. I went to Google and searched tree removal companies in Atlanta. I was looking for a business that has a great reputation, but either no social media or a bad social media presence. And I found Northside Tree Professionals. They've been serving Atlanta since 1968, and they have 2,271 Google reviews with a 4.9 star rating. They do tree removal, trimming, stump grinding, fertilization, and insect and disease control. But when I went to their Instagram, they only have 111 followers, and their posts aren't consistent at all. Some months they post, some months they don't. So here you have a company that clearly cares about their reputation. Over 2,200 5-star reviews, and that doesn't happen by accident. They're investing in their brand, but they haven't figured out social media yet, and that's the kind of business you want to find. One that's already spending money on marketing, but just needs help showing up online consistently. And here's a quick tip on how to find these businesses fast. Go to Google Maps, search for any service-based industry. Plumbers, electricians, landscapers, tree services, dental offices. Sort by highest rated, then check their Instagram or Facebook. If they have hundreds of reviews but less than 500 followers, that's an opening. I can find 10 of these businesses in any city in about 15 minutes. And once you have a good prospect, here's what to do next. Chapter 3, how I created carousel posts with 3 simple prompts. All right, so here's where the magic happens. I went to high level and used Ask AI, and I typed in one simple prompt. Act as an elite Instagram graphic designer and create 3 Instagram carousel posts for this tree service business. Each post should be 5 slides each for a total of 15 graphics. You can pause the screen here to read the entire prompt. Then I pasted in their website URL and clicked generate. And Ask AI immediately went to work. It researched the business. It identified their signature red and green brand colors. It figured out all their services. And it started planning and creating the carousel posts. While it was working, I just opened a new tab and responded to some messages. When I came back, it had created 3 full carousel posts. Each one had 5 slides with graphics and captions ready to go. Here's what it came up with. The first carousel was 5 signs your tree is about to fall. Educational content that grabs attention because everyone in Atlanta worries about trees falling on their house during a storm. The second carousel was called the Atlanta Yard Glow Up, a before and after transformation showing an overgrown, chaotic yard and then the same yard looking absolutely stunning afterward. The third carousel was Why Atlanta Trusts Us. This one is a brand story and social proof carousel. It highlights their 55 plus years in business, over 10,000 trees safely removed, their 5-star rating, and a real customer testimonial. Every single carousel had a cover slide, interior slides with the content, and a CTA slide, all branded with the company's colors and information. It even included their phone number and a call to action for a free estimate. Now, the first round of designs were good, but I wanted to make them even better. So I typed this simple prompt: act as an elite graphic designer and review all the carousel posts, find ways to enhance the designs even further so that people on their phones will stop scrolling and pay attention, keep the brand colors consistent with the business website. And Ask AI went back to work. It made the text way bigger and bolder so it's readable in 1 second on a phone. And it cleaned up the layout so each slide has one dominant visual hook instead of a bunch of elements competing for attention. Look at some of these enhanced titles. Your tree could fall any day, with a dramatic hook on a deep teal background. The yard glow up with a split screen before and after. And Atlanta has trusted us since 1968 with an aerial canopy shot. These are the kind of graphics that make people stop scrolling. This is the kind of improvement that would take a designer hours to do manually. And AI did it in minutes while I was doing other things. That's how passive this is. You prompt it, walk away, and come back to professional content ready to post. By the way, High Level is the platform we use to manage our agency and all our clients. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course for free. All right, so once it finished enhancing everything, I typed one more prompt. Schedule all the posts for the month of May to connected Facebook page, choose the order of posts, times, and schedule based on best practices. And it actually scheduled all 3 carousel posts. It built a content calendar for the entire month of May. It picked the best posting times based on when home service audiences are most active. It even spaced them out strategically so each post has time to gain traction before the next one goes live. 3 prompts. That's it. 1 to create, 1 to enhance, 1 to schedule, and the whole time I was doing other things. Chapter 4, how to turn this into a business. All right, so here's the business side of this. This is why this offer is better than selling automations. When you sell social media posts, the business owner can see the result. They can pull up their phone, open Instagram or Facebook, and see content going out every single day with their branding on it. We set up automations that encourage comments and DMs so clients can also see real conversions happening. And that visibility is what makes them keep paying you month after month. You can easily charge $500 a month for daily social media posts created by AI. For that, you're giving them daily image posts plus a few carousel posts each month. The carousels are your pillar content. They get pinned to the top of the page, and the daily posts fill in the rest of the month. And here's why $500 is the sweet spot. It's affordable enough that any business owner can say yes without overthinking it. But it's a high enough margin for you because AI is doing 90% of the work. And this is a package where you don't offer one-on-one meetings. Instead, everything is handled through email or support tickets, which makes this much more scalable. This way, you're only spending maybe 30 to 45 minutes per client per month. That's it. So if you get just 10 clients at $500 a month, that's $5,000 a month in revenue for about 5 hours of actual work. And here's how to get clients. Almost every home service company, restaurant chain, and local business with a strong brand identity is a potential client. Go to Google, search for businesses in your area, look at their Google reviews. If they have hundreds of reviews and a great rating but barely any social media presence, that's your opening. And because the AI images are so easy to create, you can just create a few sample posts, then reach out and say something like, hey, I created some content for your business. Would you like to see it? And then you show them what you created for them. When they see their brand, their colors, and their business looking professional on social media, they start to see the possibilities. And you don't need to mention anything about AI creating it. You just need to share that you can create posts like this daily for their social media pages. But that's just the beginning. I love this because the upsells are endless. You start with social media posts at $500 a month. Then you add on Facebook ad management. Then you set up their Google business profile, then their email marketing. Before you know it, a $500 a month client becomes a $2,000 a month client, and they're happy to pay it because you're driving real results. Now compare that to selling automations at $297 a month. With automations, they cancel after 2 months because they don't feel the value. With social media posts, they keep paying for years because their brand is finally showing up online. Plus, the posts can help the businesses with their overall visibility and help them rank on search engines, including sites like ChatGPT. We've had clients with us for 5, 7, even 10 years. That's the power of a visible, tangible service. Once they see their social media running consistently, once they see comments coming in and followers growing, they don't want to go back to posting nothing. They become dependent on the consistency you're providing. Chapter 5, how to manage everything. Now let me tie all of this together. With high level, you can set up sub-accounts for each client. That means every client gets their own social media posts, websites, calendars, automations, and more. Everything is organized under one roof. So let's say you land 5 clients. Each client has their own sub-account. You go into client 1, create their content with Ask AI, schedule the posts, set up their automations. Then you move to client 2 and do the same thing. You can manage all of them from one dashboard without switching between a bunch of different platforms. And for your agency, you can use their system to create your own website, contracts, generate invoices, and build an onboarding process. So when a new client signs up, they get a welcome email, access to their dashboard, and everything is set up automatically. That's what we do. We manage roughly 350 clients. And the only reason we can do that is because everything is centralized. The social media scheduling, the client communication, the billing, all of it. And here's something most people don't realize. The hardest part of running an agency isn't getting clients. It's managing them. It's keeping track of who needs what when posts are going out and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. High Level solves that problem. You can see every client, every post, every conversation in one place. And with Ask AI doing the content creation, you're spending minutes per client instead of hours. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I show you how I created 33 social media posts in 10 minutes with AI. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.